If your electronic device falls and is tucked away in your seat, please call the flight attendant to assist. For your convenience, enjoy our in-flight connectivity facility on several types of our aircraft. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited while you are on the aircraft. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detector in the lavatory and smoking in the lavatory is prohibited. Do take a moment to identify the emergency exit closest to you. Bear in mind that it might be behind you. There are path lights along the aisle that lead you to an emergency exit. Emergency exits are equipped with a slide which will inflate for land evacuation. If an evacuation is needed, please proceed